Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to generate the YouTube thumbnail using AI tool. So, if you are creating the YouTube channel, you have to create the thumbnail. If the based on the thumbnail, the visitors are clicking your channel. So, if your channel when the visitors come across your channel, first they are going to when the viewers are come to your video, so you have to look at the thumbnail. So if the thumbnail looking good, you can increase the clickable rate. So how to do it? So first you have to, if you don't have idea, you have to go to the ChatGPT. It's AI tool. You have to go to the ChatGPT and log in via your username and password. Here you have to type at as a world best YouTube thumbnail creator. Yeah. So if you are write the prompt look like this, it provides some text. They're telling that some information to how to generate your thumbnail eye-catching. So you have to give some words to make your thumbnail more eye-catching to display. So you have to generate. I need you to generate the YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. You type. I need you to generate YouTube thumbnail eye-catching. Eye-catching. Okay, eye-catching. So here you write. The thing is, you have to correct the grammar mistakes. All things are using the Grammarly. Okay, so this Grammarly is automatically there. You don't worry about that. Here, where how to install the Grammarly and all. This is automatically along with the ChatGPT. Okay, so after that, you have to give the prompt. What is the prompt? You have to generate the YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to generate the YouTube thumbnail, which is a Java step by step. Whatever you can, Java step, Java, learn Java tutorial, something. Okay. Is there any problem with the spelling mistakes? Okay. So if you have to correct that spelling mistake, all the things, okay, before you are to going to produce this one. Okay, eye catching. It's okay. Catching. Right. You have to, I need you to generate a YouTube thumbnail to be eye-catching. Learn Java tutorials. Step by step. This is very attractive text. Click on that. Okay, so here they giving some instruction. So here you can see they are not when you type the prompt, instead of generate right away, it will be asking some question from you. Okay, this is that this is the very good thing. Okay, so in order to generate your thumbnail, some of the AI tool or what it does is when you type the prompt, right away it generate the output. But compared to ChatGPT, not do like that. It is asking some more question from you. So that question might be that ask the Java mastery, Java step by step, the background, what are the background you are using here, the background JavaScript, blurry, that kind of a here. So everything you are go to the steps. So here I'm going to here this one design tool here tips. Okay, so here you have to type. I need Java step by step. You have to pick up this. I need to generate this text Java step by step. Background Java code snip comma. You have to put this like this. Close by of the space I'm going to put like this, something pointing. Okay, these are things you just using. these are things included in my Java logo. They are asking to include the Java logo. Yeah, Java logo also need. You put comma, 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 and what are the things you need? You have to write it over here. Okay, here everything you have to do it, right? So you have to click generate. Okay, it's telling that here your text is this, background JavaScript, this is a main image, it's close space, here everything. Okay, now here everything is right. So I'm going to say here it asks if you need, if you are a tutor, Java tutor, would you like to upload your face? If you don't have image, you don't bother about that one. It can upload some other random spaces like a AI generated face. You don't worry about that. It will be take care of the AI tools. So I'm going to put would you like to proceed the avatar instead of your count of? Yes, you can write like this. Yes, here it will be going to generate. Okay, it takes some time to generate the image. You have to wait until the process completed. After complete the process, I will continue my video. Now, yeah, I'm going to refresh it. It takes some time to generate the image. Here you can see here. There are beautiful image. It will be thumbnail. It should be displayed. This kind of images we have. We have displayed very simple. Okay. And this is a very things. If you are not satisfied this result, you are telling that ChatGPT again. I'm not satisfied with the result. Can you regenerate? Can you regenerate the new one? That's it. Now, okay. So if you don't like, you don't put it as regenerate again. It not produce a result. Okay. You have to tell that I'm not satisfied with the result. Then only it will be recorrect the new one. Okay, isn't it? Okay. Otherwise, it is generated the same thing. They are repeating the same imagination. This is the AI tool. It has thing to generate the image. Okay, so if you have tell them to them I am not satisfied with this, you have to generate it again. It's going to be generated. So you have to wait for a while. It will be generated. I have regenerated, but here this text, all the here the text you can see clearly now. Again, this person wearing the specs, this person without wearing the specs. So some other changes you have did. So if you have to make some changes, you can tell them. Okay, so here what are the changes you have to tell? According to that, again it will be make your image more professionally. Okay, yeah, everything here I'm not satisfied with the result. Only I said it changed something. The same image it made some changes and produce it. If you tell them the AI tool, these are the things I need step by step. The image is generated based on your requirements, right? Okay, so we have to tell them clearly. Thank you for watching.